2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. From here, your right hand, right leg touch. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at me. Touch and back. Touch and back. Left hand Dola Hasta. Right hand Alapadma. 3, 2, go and touch and back and touch and back. Right. From there, right leg in the side and bend your body down. See, follow me. No. Sonal, steps are wrong. Heel back from your just right leg at the side. Straight. And bend your body in front like this. No. Sonal, you are doing some... Sonal, stand straight. Spread your legs. And just bend to your... shift to your right, body weight to your left side, body weight left side. Yes, like this, just bending forward. 1, yes. And up. Show your hand. It's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. Like up, throw. Your hand a fist, and throw. It's throw with your hand. Done. Start from the beginning. Smile, everyone, with an attitude. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. Are you just begging to see me dance just one more time? Ooh, I see you, heavy. Clear this much? Clear this much? Okay. Come back. Yes, many of you are saying no, not clear. I'm asking one by one. Yes, Eshnika asked me which one. Eshnika? Yes, Eshnika.
I cannot understand the last step.
Which one?
This one.
Okay.
Bending down.
I'm showing you. See? You have done like legs up, back. From here, just from the back, put the right leg at the side. Put the right leg at the side and bend your body front. Like hand is Suchi type of thing. 1 and bend it and touch the ground. From here, just touch the ground. Yes. And from here, just raise your hand and up. Throw your hand to the side. Right hand, throw it side. Okay?
Ma'am, it's 2 times.
One time. I was just showing you. It's 1 time.
Oh.
Okay? Like, woo, it's a music. Woo, and you're throwing it 1 time. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Anyone else? Raise your hand.
Ma'am, Chaitya Jan.
Yes, Chaitya, yes.
Ma'am, I have raised. Ma'am, what is that? Ma'am, what is step after this?
After this, leg raise. After this one. After this, it's heel, flat. Right heel, then flat. And hand is, see the hand. Hand is, your hands are here. From here, you will raise and 1. You will raise and 1. Yes, like this. First is Pataka, then open it to the Alapadma. Pataka and Alapadma. And legs are heel, flat. Chaitya, yes, see? The legs are 1, 2, 3. Everybody else also, if anyone has any problem, just see the legs. It's heel, flat, heel, flat. First is cross, heel, flat, and heel, flat. Got it? Chaitya, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Okay. Anyone?
Understand the first portion of the dance. From the first music.
First portion of the dance, first portion I have showed, it is like this. 1, leg in front, left leg in front. 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, and like this 2 times. One more time I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Okay? Okay. Again, questions later on. I'll continue. We'll do it from the beginning once, then we'll continue. This one up. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. Are you just beg to see me dance just one more time? I sing to every. After this, see the step. After this one, it is woo, I see you, see you every time. In that one, you will do woo, I, okay? I see you. Okay. No legs. Legs are no legs. I, turning your head to the right side. I see. Right hand like this, left hand underneath your chin. I, Nyasa and Avya opposite to doing both are doing wrong hand. One is doing this side, one is doing that side. Right hand top, right hand top, right hand on top, left hand below. Yes, correct now. I see you. Head move. Yes, right. So it is this one you did then. I see you. Okay, then one more time. See, what is it? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here, you will 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. First, left side, right side, roll your body. 1, 2, and roll your body. See it once more. Right, left side, right side, roll your body. Roll your body. Next step, see the hand. Tripataka. Tripataka. From here you will do 1, 2, and 3. See the hands? It's 1, 2, 3. Yes, 1, right side, left side, and right side. Now, but the legs are not that. Chaitya, legs are not that. Legs I haven't done. See the legs. Legs are different. 1, 2, 3. See the legs. See the legs. It is 1, 2, 3. 1, back, 2, back. So it's you make me wanna cry. Here, you will bend it down. 1, 2, 3. Right, left. 1, 2, 3. You will sit. From here, you will sit down. 1, 2, 3. Right, left, both hands 3 times. Next step, 1, 2. Dola Hasta. 1, 2. From here, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the hand on top? The hand you did. Left hand Suchi, right hand Mushti. Straight. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Alapadma, Kataka Alapadma, Kataka 2 times. See the legs. See the legs. From here, you did dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Oh, oh. Then right, left, back. Left, right, back. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't move your legs. 5. Don't move your legs. Then 6. Raise your right leg. 6, 7, 8, 9. Make a circle. Do with the music. I'll do with the music. Please follow. You make me wanna cry. Ready now? Now I'm going to see your dance just one more time. say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I've never seen anybody do that thing to